Here is how you can take Moody Instagram shots without any editing. Get into the camera app and select filters and go to Goldvibes. Once you have done that, that's the secret for taking those Moody Instagram shots, and every single shot will turn out to be awesome with this filter. Second tip is that bring the subject close to you, like I am bringing my hand to get focused and shooting directly into the sun, and the images look very creative. Tip number 3. Turning on the HDR and shooting directly into the sunlight, by which the images look awesome. Go try different angles for different subjects, as it really looks awesome. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and hit the notification bell. Share this video with your family and friends, and follow me on my Instagram ID at @iam_sajaved. Hoping you guys are having fun. Till then, peace.